Well, hey guys, it is 4 o'clock right now. Actually, just a little past 4 o'clock. 4:04 to be exact. We've got some severe weather going on right now. We have 4 active severe thunderstorm warnings. These are actually destructive severe thunderstorm warnings, so a very strong storm associated with this. We've also had some reports of hail. Here's our hail detector. We have a little bit of hail indicated live on radar. Right there, you can see those possible areas of radar indicated hail, but we've also seen some in person reports of a little over an inch sized hail. So make sure you have your car underneath something and stay indoors throughout the afternoon and evening hours. If you have plans outdoors, find that plan B. Not only find that plan B action, but also make sure you have some tornado shelter actions in place just in case. Here is our severe weather zone. We have a moderate risk for severe weather. This is issued by the Storm Prediction Center at our partners at the National Weather Service. We have an elevated risk right here. So with a moderate risk, that is a 4 out of 5, and we rarely ever see a 5 out of 5. So as pretty much as high as you can get, especially for the month of June. This is not something that we typically see in the month of June. Here's our wind threats: greater than 80-mile-per-hour winds possible as it heads into central Oklahoma. This will extend all the way up to northern Oklahoma down to far northern Texas, and will extend into a squall line. And so when you have that squall line, it's going to push to the east and create straighter line winds. So as you head towards the east, with those stronger straight line winds, our tornado threat also becomes a little less prominent in the Tulsa area into eastern Oklahoma. So our tornado threat is the greatest in this yellow region off into western Oklahoma before it turns into that squall line. We also have a damaging hail threat that says baseball-sized hail, but we have also gotten new information saying we could see up to DVD-sized hail associated with this storm. DVD-sized hail, about that big. That is pretty ginormous. So make sure you have, once again, your car underneath something. I can't stress that enough. Here's the storm timing. We're already seeing, once again, as we saw earlier, some storms develop in western Oklahoma. That kicked off around 3 p.m. about an hour ago. It's going to continue around 7 p.m. That's when it's going to head into central Oklahoma into eastern Oklahoma around 10 p.m., also extending into the early morning hours, 2 3 a.m. So this is a good 11 to 12 hour window of time for this storm to continue to develop. So if it has the energy, which looks like it will continue to have enough energy to sustain that time frame, it could extend into eastern Oklahoma, a little bit into Arkansas as well. Here's our watches and warnings. When you have a watch, just a reminder, when you have a watch, you have several hours ahead to plan. So make sure you have that plan in action, have your safety plan. And your warnings: when you have a tornado warning or severe thunderstorm warning, you have anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour, and it's also in portions of counties. So there's smaller areas that include warnings. You have minutes of a notice before that storm is knocking on your door. So make sure you're taking cover immediately once you see the word warning, whether it's a severe thunderstorm warning or a tornado warning. Make sure you have your phones charged up. Stay up to date with OE Nightly and give us a follow, as well as put your notification bell on so you get notifications from us as well. We'll keep you guys updated throughout the afternoon and evening hours. Stay tuned.